10 News reporter Jennifer Kastner is continuing our team coverage from Oak Park in Ventura County, where homes have been decimated.
Every hour, we've been showing you yet another home that's been affected by these fires that are raging throughout Ventura County. This one still has the frame of the entryway, but you can see beyond it, there's not much left, just some smoldering piles of charred wood and rubble. The entire community of Oak Park, where we are, is still under mandatory evacuation tonight. As we've been reporting, thousands of people throughout the county have been told to leave their homes. It is simply too dangerous to stay behind. Evacuation shelters are filling up. The Red Cross is setting up cots and getting meals prepared for those who need help. They've also got crisis counseling going on, since it's been an incredibly challenging time for this community that's still reeling in the loss after the nearby mass shooting.
No matter what goes on, there's always someone else that's got worse. A lot of things happened in the last few days that, could sadden a lot of people. People lost, homes lost now. So it's just not fun.
Some of the people who live here tell me they were up all last night defending their homes with water hoses. They're prepared to do the same thing tonight if it comes to that. Reporting in Oak Park, Jennifer Kastner, 10 News.